He misses his mommy and daddy. It's his first night home.
Oh, look, Caleb, he likes you. He likes you.
Snowball.
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 Snowball. He listens to you.
Snowball. What you want? What are you doing?
I want to chew on something.
You want to chew something? We're going to have to get you some chew toys.
I know,
Maybe we
right?
got some right in here. Don't even go far. We'll find some. Let's see what we got.
Let's see. Come on down here, Snowball. Snowball! Snowball! There's Buster. We did call him Snowflake originally, but it's Buster. Hey, Buster. What are you doing?
I farted.
Hey, what you doing?
Sophia's farting.
That's a good. This is a good video.
What you doing? What you doing? You like the camera? You like it? Come here. Come here. Come see Nana.
There's Nana.
Come here. He's a big baby. He's a big little baby. He's a boy. You're a sweet little baby.
Look, I got it. Yeah, whoa.
Baby. No biting. No biting. No.
Kevin,
No, don't pull my pants.
on the bounce.
Oh,
You
yeah.
catch it on the bounce.
No, Buster. No, Buster.
You do it like this, Kevin.
Buster.
No, Buster. No.
You're messing up Nana's pants. Sophia, please stop picking him up like that. That hurts him, I
Hello.
think, okay? You gotta get him from underneath. You can't just pick him up from his arms up there. I keep telling you that.
Hello.
Hey, Caleb.
I'm playing this.
Now he's relaxing. Here's Uncle Kevin. Watch out, he's gonna hit Nana in the head.
Hey, she's eating
Buster's eating grass.
I think he's just playing around.
grass.
What you said was impossible. You said she's eating. It's a he.
I know
right.
it. They used to, my daddy.
What is that? Is that me? Is that me? What are you doing? What are you doing? You attacking my water bottle? Come on. Let's go. See if he'll come see me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Buster. Buster, come here. Buster. Psst. Psst, psst, psst. Come here. Buster. My God, you're tearing that water bottle all to pieces. Buster.